Overcome the disadvantages of traditional manufacturing for aerospace industries. The two major issues faced by aerospace companies: lowering operational expenses, minimizing carbon dioxide emissions. The advantages of 3D printing in aerospace industries. 3D printing makes lightweight but strong components. Low costs are achieved through shorter production cycles. Assembly time is reduced with simple operations. Smart and complex designs with the highest design performance. Reduces inventory and minimizes waste. Environment-friendly process. Overcome the disadvantages of traditional manufacturing with innovative 3D products.